Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add text to your TikTok stream. You can do it while you're streaming. So if you select add sources, you're going to select the text here and you're just going to select add and select that, and you're going to add the text, sorry. For instance, I want people to join my Valorant game and I'm just going to paste this party code. This is a party code from like yesterday, so it's not going to work. You're also going to select the style of text you want. I'm just going to go with this one. You can also select the font here as well. Don't really like that. Oh, actually, these fonts are from my what's it called? My my files. That's why there's this. You can also change the font size as well, the direction of it, the color, the gradient, the opacity of the text as well here, the outline, etc., etc. You can add in a background to it too. Here you'll be able to adjust the gradient. And hold on, let me just change the font style first. I think you can even like type in the font you want. Where is the font that I can't find it? Okay, anyways. That's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.